Howdy ho, bitches.
Tell you I'm your man.
Look at this. Look at this today. 17th of February, 2023. It's about, I don't know, 3:30 in the afternoon. It's about -8, -9. And I'm getting ready to shoot a video for the morning. Alright, just give me a second here. I'm gonna move some shit around. I gotta shovel some snow. Hold on. Alright, bitches. Setting up for a low and slow cook tomorrow. Doing a pork shoulder, pickle brine pork shoulder. And getting out the GBS, the Green Bastard Special. We're gonna fucking rock and roll, bitches. Let me show you what's going on here. Ashes are all cleaned out. There. I don't even know. Am I ZTFI'd? Hey, elbow boy. Did I ZTFI? I did too, eh? I had the ZTFO. Alright. Here, let me take the camera off the tripod. I'm gonna go with the bottom vent here. What am I gonna do there? Probably right around there. I think this pork shoulder is 5 pounds. What we got going on here? Oh, close to my mark. Pretty close. Just a little bit. Not all the way. That's good. So yeah, that's the bottom vent. And we got the charcoal basket. We're gonna fill that fucking basket up. Got some Kingsford, and then we got a piece of, what the fuck is this? I don't know. That's pecan. That's fucking pecan wood. And oh, fuck me. Fucking 16-pound bag of fucking Kingsford. Went to the Crappy Tire the other day. I got a surprise ride to Barrie. Huh. That's where also when I bought this pork shoulder. Fucking $20, $19.99 at Crappy Tire for Kings. Up $5 from last year. $15 last year, and that's still too expensive. Nobody had any Royal Oak. Not Wally World. $20 fucking I paid for that fucking thing. Alright, I'm gonna put the basket in. And you'll see, you'll watch. It'll be fast forwarded for you. Howdy ho, bitches. Woohoo! Guess what? It's the next day. As I was getting ready to dump the charcoal into the basket, my battery ran out because some dumbass forgot to charge it, and that dumbass would be me. So I said, fuck it, and I'll do it tomorrow. So the charcoal basket's filled. I'll show you that. Here I've got mini chimney, and I've got 8 briquettes in there. So I'll light this fucker up and get these going. If you're using a side burner on a barbecue to get your mini chimney or your large chimney going, make sure you don't leave your chimney on there because you'll fuck up your burner. Let her get going for about 1.5 minutes. Shut the gas off and move it over to the other side. 'Cause if you leave it on there, you'll, what do you call it? Fuck, I'm stoned. You'll melt the burner. That's what you'll do. And this is now 2013. I bought this fucking puppy in 1994. And she's still fucking going. Well, this part's going. This part's fuckoed. This is my chimney lighter. Alright, let's see what's going on here. We got a pizza pan with a foil covering and a 16-inch pizza stone as a diffuser and thermal mass. So our basket's full. There's a little depression here to put our lit coals in. You saw how the vent was set up. I've got one piece of pecan in there. So we'll let that charcoal get going. We'll be back to dumper and all. What else we got? I'll show you later. We'll be back. Woo! Alright, bitches. Our charcoal is looking good, our briquettes. Kind of look like that. Let's get them right in here in the middle. Boom, one left. Get in there. Stuck. Yeah, get over here. Okay. Good enough, eh? All right. Now we'll get our deflector plate. And now, either use a cake pan or a tinfoil pan or aluminum pan. Get some hot water in there. Get some hot water. You want to do this pretty quickly. You don't want that charcoal to start flying and igniting everything. Of course it's not going to go poof. You know that. That'll be good enough. There's a fucking car going by. It's unusual when you get a car going by. Golf Leafs Golf. Canadian. Great. Temp probe. Okay. Fuck off. Get in there, bitch nuts. Okay. And now we cover it up. Vent this side. We will leave her wide open for now. It'll take a while to come up. Probably, I don't know, 45 minutes or more or less, but thereabouts. So when this gets up to temp, we'll be back and put some meat on. Woo. RTFO mofos. What a beautiful day. Alright, bitches. She's around 205. Okay. That's we got our vent fully open. So we'll crank that down to About half. 2/3. Slow that down and let it settle down, and you know, fuck around with it from there. You won't really have to do too much adjusting. Fuck, the weed's just fucking kicking my ass right now. All right, I'm just gonna go grab the meat and bring it out. Well, I gotta season it first, but yeah, you throw your meat on anytime now. All right, let's go inside. The temperature's up to about 168, and looks like that. Smells pretty good. I'm gonna put it into a pan now, and we're gonna take it inside and finish it in the oven. Shut down the vents and save charcoal. No need to waste the charcoal. It's winter. It's cold outside. I'm not sitting out here. We get a better look at it when we get inside. Brush this off. Alrighty. Closed. Closed for the season, bitches. Howdy ho, bitches. Woo! It's the next day after that dill pickle brine pork roast. See what kind of mess we got going on here. I'll put this lid down on the ground. Let's see what the fuck's going on, eh? Fat and ice water. Easy cleanup. So this was going for almost 8 hours. So that's not bad. Ow. And it was running a bit hotter than I wanted. It was running around 300. I had it just a little, the bottom vent set a little too far on the open side. Here, I don't know, what do you got? Can you see here? No. Oh. Another afternoon. My buzz is just kicking in. So we used about almost half. Almost half. So that's pretty good. It would have been enough if I left it on the kettle. That basket would have done the whole thing. But what's the point? It's sealed in a container. Throw it in the fucking oven. Why waste the charcoal? If it was a hot summer day or something, that's different. Sitting outside, relaxing. It's fucking cold. Alright, bitches. That's the low and slow setup that I did for this cook. And I do for a lot of cooks, actually, these days. But I still have my fire bricks. I still use them once in a while. RTFO, mofos.